Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. Hi there students. So today the topic of our lesson of this class is the animal world, and in animal world it's 2.2, page number 14 and 15. Okay, and the day is Thursday. So let's start. Okay, animals in water. Okay, today we are going to learn about animals in water. Please, all of you, open page number 14. Yes, page number 14. If you don't have a book, you can see it on the screen. Okay, I've taken the pictures. You can see it on the screen as well. Okay, okay. Now, let's start. 2.2, animals in water. Before this, you studied about animals on land. So today we are going to study about animals in water. Not all animals live on land. Yes, there are many animals. Some of them live on land, some in water, and some fly in the sky. Okay, so today we are going to study only about the animals in water. So some live in water. Let's see the animals. Who are those animals that live in water? Like here, can you see over here? Fish live in water. Okay. Now, octopuses. Please, all of you, say it with me. Octopuses. It's the plural of octopus. Octopuses live in water. And here is an octopus. Oh, it's a dangerous one. Okay. Now, here is Mr. Eel. Okay. So eels live in water. Okay. So fish, octopuses, eels, and there are many other animals that live in water. Okay. Now, please move to the next page. Don't move to the next page yet. So let us first see some more examples of sea animals. Can you please focus on the screen? Clams, crab, fish, dolphin, shells, oyster, shrimp, killer whale, octopus, sea urchin, sea anemone, shark, seahorse, starfish, sea turtle, lobster, squid, and there are many other animals that live in water. Okay, so look at this page carefully. Okay, look at carefully. Try to read 4 or 5 words yourself. Okay, now I'll move to the next page. Okay, please open page number 15 on your book. Okay, now, water animals have bodies that help them to live in water. Now, the animals that live on land, they have different body, isn't it? Their body structure is different. Their body structure is according to the environment on the land. But the body structure of water animals is different. Okay, it's according to the water. Okay, because they live in water. So many animals, not all the animals that live in water, but they are talking about many animals. Okay, many water animals, many animals that live in water have fins to help them swim. Now, when they're living in water, they don't have legs to move from one place to another, so they have fins to swim, okay? Now, their fins. All of you, please say it with me. Fins. Fins. And look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Fins. 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 Okay, they all are fins, okay? So now these fins help many animals that live in water to move from one place to another, to help them swim, okay? Now, the body organ that helps, if anybody asks you that what is the body organ of water animals that help them to swim, you will simply say that it's fins, okay? They have fins, and it's not only one fin. They are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they vary from from animal to animal, okay? So now, many water animals have gills to help them breathe underwater. Now, we humans, please all of you focus on the screen. We humans have what that helps us to breathe? We have what? We have lungs that help us breathe air, okay? So in many water animals, there are gills that help them breathe underwater. Can you see? Gills are present over here, okay? So fins help them swim and gills help them breathe. But it's not same for all the animals. It's only for many water animals, okay? So let's see what's here. Some water animals can't breathe underwater. If they can't breathe underwater, if they live in water, they can't breathe underwater, so what do? Let us see this. They have to put their heads above the water to breathe. Okay, so there are some water animals that live in water, but when they want to breathe, they come on the surface of water and put their heads outside above water to breathe. And let us see those animals. Whales and dolphins can't breathe underwater. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now please look at the screen, all of you, because this is not written in the book. This is not written in the book. Okay, whales. Wait, sorry. Whales and dolphins breathe air into their lungs. Now, just like humans, just like us, whales and dolphins have lungs. When we humans go under the water, we can't breathe underwater. Why? Because we have lungs to breathe. We don't have gills to breathe, okay? So in the same way, whales and dolphins have lungs. They breathe through lungs. They cannot breathe underwater like fish can, as they don't have gills, okay? They have lungs, so they can't breathe underwater, okay? Now, all of you, please touch your nose. Touch your nose. Okay, can you see that there are two openings in your nose? They are known as nostrils. All of you breathe through your nose, all of you. Yes, we use our nostrils to breathe, okay? We use nostrils, okay? So, they breathe. Who breathe? Whales and dolphins breathe through nostrils. Okay, like humans, they also have nostrils, and nostrils are called blowhole. All of you, please say it with me. Blowhole. Blowhole. Yes. Our nostrils are known as nostrils, but their nostrils are known as blowhole, located right on the top of their heads. Our nostrils are in our nose, but their nostrils are on the top of their heads. Can you see? It's a whale, and they are the nostrils, they are the blowholes in the whale, and it's located right on the top of its head. Now, can you see this? It's a blowhole in a dolphin. It's a dolphin. So, this is the reason that they, when they want to breathe, they come to the surface of the water and they put their head above the water. Why? Because their nostrils that are known as blowholes are on the top of their head and they breathe through them. Okay, now is it clear? Should I move to the next slide? Shanza beta, please be attentive. Okay, thank you. Now what you have to do, now you have pictures, you can see different pictures on the screen. Now you have to find out 5 water animals and write them on your rough registers. Okay, quickly, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Look at the pictures and write 5 water animals. Quickly, quickly, quickly. And your time starts now. Only 2 minutes. Kiswa, why are you not doing your work? Tuba, where are you? Quickly, quickly do your work. Tayyab Ahmed, very good. 1 more minute to go. Quickly. Quickly, quickly. Kisa, very good. Saida Asna, very good. Zinera, good. Nahyan, good. Okay, stop. Time's up. Inaya Zaid, very good. Stop. Good. Very good. Okay. Now, thank you so much. Please clap for yourselves. Very good. Shanza, very good. Okay. Now stop the work. Now let's see. Now let's read something more interesting. Okay. Animals that live on land and in water. They live on both. Let us see. Some animals live some of the time on land and some of the time in water. So, can you think of some? Yes, we can think of some of those animals. Now, can you see this animal? It's a crab. All of you, please say it with me. It's a crab. It's a crab. Crab can live both on land and in water. Okay. Mr. Froggy. Now here is Mr. Froggy. How are you, Mr. Froggy? Oh, he's fine. Yes. Yes. It's a frog. Uh-oh. He's Mr. Dangerous. Yes. He is Mr. Crocodile. He's a crocodile. Yes. Now all of you say it with me again. Crab. All of you. Crab. Frog. Frog. Crocodile. Crocodile. Okay, now crab, frog, and crocodile can live both on land and in water. Okay, now let us go through some of the features. Now please focus on the screen, all of you. Features of water animals. Now fins help many sea animals to swim. Now, which organ help this sea animals to swim? Yes, it's fins. There are fins that help them, or help water animals to swim. Now, many sea animals or water animals have gills to breathe. Now, how do they breathe? They breathe through gills, okay? Then whales and dolphins breathe through lungs, okay? They don't have gills, they breathe through lungs. Then they have nostrils called blowhole, okay? Now, okay, now it is our activity. Now what you will do, you will, all of you, okay, you will only write the question number and the answer of that question on your register, and after 3 or 4 minutes, I can ask any one of you, okay, to tell me the answer, okay? Ready, all of you? Now, question number 1. Name the parts of body that help a fish to swim and breathe. Okay? You know it. Just write question number 1 and write the answer. Okay? Then question number 2, name 2 water animals that cannot breathe underwater. They have to come on the surface and put their heads above the water to breathe. Okay? Then question number 3, name 2 animals that live both on land and in water. Quickly, your time starts now. Only 3 minutes. Only write the question number and the answer. Okay? And you just have to write the names, okay? I don't want detailed answers. I only want the names. Okay, quickly. Please, children, do it yourself. Please, students, do it yourself. Mohammed Amar, quickly, quickly, wait, I do it.